Hello everyone, today we're gonna show you the coolest 5 products that are worth buying. Let's get started. 1. A portable smokeless fire pit so you can still enjoy the magical campfire experience without having to worry about that strong smoke stench getting all over your hair and clothes. Solo Stove Bonfire, the world's most unique fire pit, pushes the limits of both combustion airflow efficiency and minimalist outdoor design with its all-stainless steel construction. It was painstakingly engineered to provide a backyard fire experience that cannot be duplicated. Secondary combustion double-wall design maximizes airflow and burning process. Bottom vent holes allow oxygen to feed the fire from below, while simultaneously channeling warm oxygen up between the walls of the stove and back into the fire. Efficient burn/low smoke. A more complete burn means little. 2. DeBizz Fire Starter. Unique square design. The 6-inch square magnesium fire starter has high resistance and more surface contact on striking. Comes with a flint striker attached to the paracord. Always be prepared to starting fire. 16-inch wrist paracord included. Gives you a good grip and never comes off. Collapsible pocket fire bellow. The design of 8-layer structure makes the camping gear can be extended to 19-inch to protect your face from getting smoky and burnt. Meanwhile, the length of the item can shortest 3.7-inch, easier to store and carry, blowing the oxygen into the center of the fire more directly, safety and efficient. Fit all extreme weather. Flint fire starter is made of high-effective ferrocerium, magnesium and mish metal, with windproof and waterproof, easily eject shower of molten sparks in any weather, at any altitude. The 3. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter for hiking, camping, travel, and emergency preparedness. Removes bacteria and parasites. The microfiltration membrane removes 99.999999% of waterborne bacteria, including E. coli and salmonella, and 99.999% of waterborne parasites, including Giardia and Cryptosporidium. Removes microplastics. Removes the smallest microplastics found in the environment, down to 1 micron, and reduces turbidity down to 0.2 microns. Long lifetime. The microbiological filter will provide 4,000 liters, 1,000 gallons, of clean and safe drinking water with proper use and maintenance. 4. Emergency blankets and rain poncho hybrid survival gear and equipment. Tough, waterproof camping gear outdoor blanket. No more clutching emergency blankets. Keep your hands free with our patent-pending prepared 4X wind-resistant and waterproof blanket poncho hybrid, because we've combined the warmth of a Mylar blanket with the mobility of a poncho. Roomy and comfortable. We designed our Mylar blanket poncho in a roomy, comfortable size that fits most bodies, and you can even fit your backpack underneath it to keep it safe and dry. 5. Odoland 15 PCS Camping Cookware Mess Kit. Non-stick lightweight pots pan set with stainless steel cups, plates, forks, knives, spoons for camping, backpacking, outdoor cooking and picnic. Perfect for 1 to 2 people. The pots have 1.9 L and 1 L capacity, and the fry pan is of 5.7 diameter. They will be great not just for boiling water, but meal prep too. It's fully equipped and made to be used by 1 to 2 people. High-quality pots and pan. Both the pots and fry pan are made from anodized aluminum, which is non-toxic and lightweight. Coated with a non-stick for easier use and cleanup. Each piece has handles which are foldable and thermally isolated so you don't burn your hand. Extra stainless steel dinner cutleries. You also receive several accessories, 2 sets of dinner cutleries and 1 cleaning cloth. The dinner cutleries are made from 304 stainless steel, which is completely safe to use.